Everybody, today I'm birthday. I spend my birthday with my man. So, I can look.
I go fuck your mother, man.
So people, we know say him just run some joke with him bridging, you know. But you know we don't run certain type of joke already because we don't want to be branded as a Basky boy! Yes, so anyway, what's up people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And I am just hoping that each and every one of you is having a very peaceful and prosperous day, etc. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make we run these reports off just like a we run the ground. We run the ground. Jungle is say we run the ground. Yes, so now people, rumors are circulating the internet that female dancehall artist Jada Kingdom is pregnant. Yeah. So people, Rushane Patterson, the alleged killer of social media influencer Slickiana, went live on TikTok and this is what he had to say.
The only thing positive I can say about her is that she have a bright skin tone. She's a very beautiful girl and she reached somewhere in her life by selling her phone. Whole.
So also viewers and subscribers, we have new information on the wanted man that was killed in St. Elizabeth by the police a couple days ago.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm coming to address something, isn't it? You see the video where I go around with the youth, with the prop gun where everybody I put on the video, see him dead, the police kill. See the youth, yeah.
Yes, so people, we know the thing already. We're going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the stories them. We're soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Yes, so now people, before me even kick off the video, I want to state this. I'm tired of the school picnic them where I fight and I kill off them one another every day. I'm tired of the waste man them where I abuse and I fling with the woman them body left, right and center in a Jamaica. I'm tired of the gunman them where say them a bad man. I'm tired of police brutality. I'm just tired of everything. I want to them viewers and subscribers, them can just make us stop it every and just make it place nice. Now people, check this out. Rumors are circulating the internet that female dancehall artist Jada Kingdom is pregnant. But why are these rumors circulating like wildfire? Because since recently, Jada Kingdom did an interview in Grenada and the people them where they dead where I look on Jada Kingdom belly, say it look like say yeah, twinkles get knocked up like say yeah, Jada Kingdom pregnant. But you know what people, take a look at this video. Now people, me I go ask you this question. By looking at that video, could you tell exactly that Jada Kingdom is pregnant or not? Well, it could be a case where Jada Kingdom eat too much that day. And by the way, me never to see nothing there so to say Jada Kingdom is pregnant. But viewers and subscribers, is it our business if Jada Kingdom is pregnant or not? Yes. Once you are a celebrity, your business are everybody's business if you never know. And me know say if Jada Kingdom get pregnant, no for the man them where I listen Jada Kingdom or know Jada Kingdom personally, dreams are gonna get crushed because for some reason Jada Kingdom enough man fantasy. Right now, me know enough man just wish them could have just get the chance to get a date with her. But people, tell me what you think down in the comment section. You think Jada Kingdom is pregnant or not? Now people, check this out. There is a video circulating the internet of the man who allegedly killed social media influencer Slickiana. Well actually, he did a live on TikTok and this is what he had to say.
Positive light. The only thing positive I can say about her is that she have a bright skin tone. She's a very beautiful girl and she reached somewhere in her life by selling her phone. Whole. That's all I can say. What else I can say after that? People, yeah. Them start running my picture and me tell them so stop running my picture and stop use my face and them thing and tell police stop look for me. Them say, I me, I the guy, we say so. I me respond. So I me, I him. Now I have to respond because them take my picture and I run with it. What the hell them want me do? She ever sell me front? Exactly. You know say you're stupid. You say, you just ask me if she ever sell me front and then you're going to say, So why me I add? If it's not me, if I know me, brother, or sister, or what the fuck you want be? If it's not me, me don't need my face for in the media. You only need them to focus on the person who is wanted for questioning. You don't need people for focus on me. When I jump on my page, I'm obsessed with my page because I can't find the person. I told you last night, if you send me a pussy and the pussy look good, I'll give you some fuck. Like the person, the guy with the gun cleared his name. Right, I'm done clear my name already. My name clear from Dr. Love Live. I go up on Dr. Love Live and clear my name. Fuck off, bitch. Fuck. I go up on Dr. Love Live and clear my name. My name has been cleared on Dr. Love Live. I did not kill this girl. I wouldn't sit down and waste 2 hours of my time to draw this girl. If I was a killer, first of all, I have hair on my head. Me what's what you call that? Me Snapchat explain. Me Snapchat whatever that one be, emoji or whatever. Like how my Snapchat thing look. Me not look like the brother ear trim. Me not trim, me have whole heap of hair for me head.
Now people, that is a 10-minute long video. So me not go play out the entire video right now. What me I go do, me I go just play the rest of the video at the end of this video. So you can listen out the full live. Where him basically I say him don't have anything or overall him don't have nothing to do with the death of Slickiana. And him also a style Slickiana, and I say Slickiana is nothing but a front seller. A successful front seller. So if you never have nothing to do with Slickiana's death, and you never know nothing about Slickiana, how you know that she sell front? How you know that? And also, why you flee Jamaica and gone in the United States? Why you never just turn yourself into the police? Oh people, me I go ask you this question. Does this man sound as somebody that is innocent? If you are innocent and you have nothing to do with Slickiana's death, and you don't know nothing about Slickiana, how you know that she sell front? And why you leave Jamaica if you are innocent? You definitely look guilty to me. And if I was the judge and me catch you, I would definitely sentence you for life, because you are claim say you're innocent, but yet still you take plane and gone to America. Worse, you have a history of these sort of crime. But people, tell me what you think down in the comment section. Do you guys think that he is innocent or not?
Yeah, me come to address something, isn't it? You see the video where I go around with the youth, with the prop gun where everybody put on the video, see him dead, say police kill, see the youth, yeah. That's where me I come from, so that was a music video, people. You get to me I say, so, on the top circulate video bridging, you get to me I come from. The youth is a hard working youth. It's a music video, I'm an idle, and I do foolishness. We don't know which one of them post the video. You get to me I come from, and they go viral on TikTok. And the Spot Media also put out the video, and him actually come back out and explain himself, say it was a music video, and correct himself. You get to me I say? So yeah, so
yeah, man, I hate man, a bit, a real thing, man, a bit. Hard working youth, you know, I don't believe in them the thing they see. And you know, like how I see myself a post over me, they said, you see, yeah.
So people, what him basically says that this young man that was in the viral video showcasing a GUN wasn't the wanted man, Twain Morrison, that police killed in St. Elizabeth a few days ago. And that video with him showcasing the GUN was actually a music video. But also, viewers and subscribers, this young man is from the same district as Twain Morrison, and they are also friends. So what they are saying, people, is that this young man is quite safe and okay, and they want people to stop spreading rumors that he is DEAD and that he is a hard-working youth. So people, do the right thing and tell me what you think down in the comment section. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I promise you that I was going to play the remainder of the Rushane Patterson live video. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also click the bell notification so that you can get notified. You know how the thing go already, viewers and subscribers. Check out the video.
Them for obey me. Come off that now. No, because I'm a boom up, them a burn up me thing, man. Them for come off of my thing for true. And she look like she love the fucker too, cause guess what? She get little clout by talking. No one's gonna follow you, stupid bitch. Some comments were filtered to protect the community's experience. Thank you. TikTok I go filter you. I just mistaken identity. Me is a sketch artist, me is a design artist. Me animate and them thing. People see me page with my face, run with my face. Then when me say stop, use my picture and stop, tell police for blood clot search me. Them take it and say I him. When them give me a reason to tell them stop using face and stop them because them don't give me a chance to find out what I go on, them just run with it. Me never know something I go on. I didn't know the girl. First of all, nobody's gonna know an uptown whore who don't mix with uptown whore, so me not gonna know her. Who did know say she was a social media blood clot friends with 40k followers or 50k. Right now, enough of we have so reach 40k and so reach 50k, and none of we know nah pre them way they like say we are superstar, a celebrity and nothing like that. One of easy more while. Cause when we reach 100k, you know, some of them now can come in my inbox and I can straight black. I don't know her, but I know a lot about her. I haven't said shit about her. You're stupid. That's all I can say to you. I haven't said anything about that girl. I have not said anything about her, so I don't know anything about her. But yeah, so me know. When you tell story, you don't talk where you know. You talk where you learn in the media. Media me learn it from. So if I get up now and say the whole I know I call out my name or something that I know about her, you stink like shit. That piss in your face. And do your bad things. Jaja, tell us something. Keep contradicting myself. Them soon will you. First of all, I went to the police station, and you know what the cop said to me? All of these girls who are running up in your inbox, a man them a look for fuck them. Remember, first the comment with them say is the guy a cruff and show that they with him. Then them the boat. Oh, I'm cute. A man and I look for fuck on. I'm not busy about the girl. Suck on no matter. You don't care about the girl. You're looking man to fuck on. You know, are looking man to dig out on us cranny roll. I don't fuck cranny girls, and I don't fuck hoes who chase after hoes. I fuck good girls. Girls who when them see this, them say me not care because me's not a prostitute. Those are the girls I'm interested in. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna end this live. But you're not gonna make me sin myself. Waste. You don't even have a real pickup here to help you for show face. Come join me live and show me your face and I'll show you my face. 13 people on the live. And the whole 13 of them other than you want to see if it's the killer. So accept the come. Add me and then because I'm jealous of woman front, but I don't want jealous as a woman bottom. So might as well be jealous of her front than her bottom. You will look like you jealous of the dead body. Obviously they don't want to sleep with the body. David the woman them say brown, any man who brown favor the murderer. Any man who brown favor the murderer, so you're a murderer too. Remember me tell you that. Them so start running down your page and say you kill a girl. Once you're brown, you are the murderer. Remember me tell you that. You're brown and you look decent, and them see somebody on the when name look the same or similar, them coming at you and say you're the murderer. Yeah. You know a lot about who did it, so why don't you call the cops? Why don't call the cops? You know a lot about who did it. Why are you here wasting breath? This don't make, but you're not even a waste breath. Why are you here wasting text time? Yeah? Brother, what? Come on, guys, share up the live, like up the live, share up the live. The girl said the murderer over here, so when you come on on the bad page, since you don't want on the real page for over here, come over on the bat account and see if the murderer over here, so the girl said the murderer is right here on this account, so we are going to go live and show face tonight. So share up the live, as I say, 100 people, that's all I need. 100 people, and then all face showing can show, and then when you can go on the bed with the mind at ease, so when they did see the killer, stupid fucks. Share up the live, guys, share up the live. She said the murderer over here. Share up the live. Only one somebody in this what me say absent so far. And I'm Maisha. Maisha the only girl me see coming in absence. Everybody is quiet because them want to know what go on and them want to see. And I understand. I be quiet too, just to see what go on. I don't say nothing because I want to know if a murderer over here too. But guess what? With the local subject, when we get to school, we get to understand that people are dumb and them gravitate towards every negative shit what them see on social media. Right? Them don't focus them energy on finding out who the real person is. They don't focus them attention on finding out. We find you funny, so I don't pay attention to you, I just speak to the viewers who are here. I noticed that people gravitate towards every little negative thing that they see in the media, and none of them are willing to address and say, do we really have a solid photo of who the person is? Do we really have a solid identity of who the person is? Right? Why is the person a flight? Why is the person not a flight risk? Has the person traveled? Is the person still in Jamaica? Is the person overseas? Why is the person not a flight risk? Then why is the person not a flight risk? Has the person left Jamaica? There's a lot of mix-up going on and none of you see it. The big cover-up is to find out if the person related to any past politician. That is what I need to find out when I come to about an artist and what the artist create. You stupid fuck.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me up on Jamaica.